In today's video, we'll be diving deep into a powerful feature in Power BI, Incremental Refresh. Incremental Refresh allows you to only refresh the data that has changed, rather than reloading everything. Let's jump into Power BI Desktop and see how we can set this up. First, ensure your dataset has a date column, as you'll need this to configure the incremental refresh. Step 1. Go to Transform Data. Step 2. Go to the Manage parameter and click on New Parameter. Step 3. Create two new parameters. First, let's create Range Start. Step 4. Define their type as Date, Time. As per my data, I'll set current value to January 1st, 2023. Now click OK. Step 5. Create second parameter Range End. Set type as Date, Time, and I'll set current value to December 31st, 2023. Now click OK. Step 6. Now, go to the electronic sales table and filter the data based on the range start and range end parameters. Select between option, at after or equal to select parameter range start and at before or equal to select parameter range end. At the applied steps, you can see the filter step. Now click close and apply. Here it will load the data. Now you can see in bar chart the data is filtered according to range start and range end parameters. Select Electronic Sales Table and click on Incremental Refresh. For instance, you can choose to store data from the past 2 years, but only refresh the last 60 days of data. This saves processing time. Click Apply. The next step is to publish your report to the Power BI service. Let's click on Publish. Click Save. It will take some time. Your dashboard is successfully published. Click on Got It. Next, step 1. Go to Power BI Services. Go to your workspace and first, let's see our electronic sales dashboard. Here you can see the data for 1 year from January 1st, 2023 to December 31st, 2023. Step 2. Click on the Dataset Settings. Check the Gateway connection. Check if data source credentials are aligned. And now on the dataset, click on Refresh. First, we will do manual refresh to load the historical data. It will take some time to load the data on service. Step 3. Once the data refresh is done, let's check our dashboard. Now we can see the data in the visual is from January 1st, 2023 till the current date. It is October 16th, 2025 today. Step 4. We can set a scheduled refresh here. Under Refresh, turn on the Configure a Refresh Schedule. Define how often you want the data to refresh, daily, weekly, and set your refresh frequency. Click Apply. That's it. Now, your incremental refresh will be handled automatically in the Power BI service. Don't miss out on the opportunity to transform your data into actionable insights. Your learning journey doesn't have to end here. Subscribe now and explore more.